Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet and cushy. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet and cushy. I'm talking wop, wop, wop.
History in the making. Part 2. So crazy right now.
I look cause they're so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time.
Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's the deal, my dear.
I'll get him hard, show him what I got.
I'm flying.
I am Daenerys Stormborn, of House Targaryen, of the blood of old Valyria. I am the dragon's daughter.